Hey guys, what's up? We're doing a little tool review today. I was fortunate enough, I won a little contest, I guess, of sorts. King Bowling, company up on Amazon. They sell and distribute scan tools. I had a little contest and I won. And I was lucky enough, I guess. I won this little entry-level scan tool that Launch has. And I thought it was cool. I got this. It arrived. Let me show you the package here. It's the CR3001. It is, like I said, it is their entry level. It is incredibly inexpensive. And to be honest, I wasn't even going to open it up. I was going to re-gift it. I was going to let me just pass it along to somebody else that could use it. And I said, let me crack it open. I have a little handheld thing I use to pull quick codes, but it's old as dirt. And I mean, it's really old. It just about pulls codes and clears them, and that's about it. And I use it for road testing sometimes, just to check monitors. But I said, you know what, let me crack it open and check this thing out and see what it's about. And it's actually pretty cool. I was honestly, I was a little impressed, especially for the money. It's nothing fancy. It's strictly OBD2. It doesn't get into vehicle specific. It doesn't. Not to knock it right off the bat, but let's just clear the air. This is a basic scan tool. You're not going to start getting into modules. You're not going to start getting into programming and coding. But that being said, it has. Let's skip the first one. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Let's skip the first one. It has a cool little lookup tool. Make sure I can see where my buttons are. You want to just pull up a code that you want to research it. You can pull it up. It'll tell you what the code is. Let's go back. It has a setup menu, pretty basic, language, units of measure, and it has a little help menu. You plug in, you hit the diagnose button, you hit the OK button. It will scan all the available OBD2 systems to figure out which one this car has. When it gets there, it will pop open a menu. Give it a second. Gives you a pretty nice little data list of how many DTCs are currently in the ECU. Readiness monitors, 6 are okay, 1 is incomplete, 3 are not applicable. 38 lines of data stream, and the type of protocol. And that's really, you can scroll down, that's really about it. We can go into read codes, erase codes, the readiness monitors, data stream, freeze frame. If there was a code, you can pull up the freeze frame data. O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring, evap system, and vehicle information. I think it's a pretty fair amount of information for a little handheld scan tool. Let's go back up, read codes. It's got no fault codes. This is this just for, I guess, really not important. It's a Saturn. It's a 05 Saturn Ion with some really low miles. It did have a check engine light. I did already repair this vehicle. I'm just going for another road test just to make sure I was trying to clear all the monitors, so I figured I'd plug this in and we'd play with it a bit. So here we are. Erase codes. Let's hit this. Since DTCs have been cleared, let's see what it says. Here's your okay, right? Incomplete, evap is incomplete, probably because I don't have enough gas in the vehicle for it to run the monitor. Let's go back. And this drive cycle, if you needed to know it. These are the monitors it's run this time around. Let's go back. Go back, there we are. Go back again. Data stream. It will pull up a pretty fair amount of data stream. Give us a second. Come on. There we go. All your basic stuff you'll need to get started on a it's not a big fancy bi-directional touchscreen, nothing, but it'll give you a fair amount of data. Let me see if I can go down. Let's back up just a hair. There we go. Short-term fuel trims, long-term fuel trims, map, RPM. It gives you enough. If you're on a, and you know it's really handy. I like it because if you're on these things, because if you're on a road test, you ain't got to carry around a big clunky, you know, laptop size touchscreen. Sometimes these are nice. I will literally hang them right off the turn signal, so I can watch it as I'm driving. So these are all kind of neat to have, especially for that purpose. Spark advance, vehicle speed, intake air temp, mass airflow. No, there's still more. O2 sensors, throttle position, on and on. Runtime, mile. Oh, how many miles we've gone? Sorry, I'm trying to focus on the camera. Like I said, it's got a fair amount of data. I like it. I think it's pretty neat. I haven't tried the O2 sensor. I just got it. This is literally the second time I'm using it, so I'm still figuring it out, although there's not much more to go. I haven't tried the O2 sensor test yet. But that's it. For the money, for what it does, I think it's a pretty cool deal. I would definitely recommend it. In fact, I may even, Father's Day is coming up, I may shove it in a couple of stocking stuffers, or so to speak. So if you get a chance, check them out. If you're looking for a quick little handheld code reader, something to clear the codes, something to do drive cycle, drive tests with, road tests with, it's a pretty cool tool. I'm happy with it. I think it's a good deal. So thank you for the guys at King Bowling, and guys, that's it. That's my tool review for today. Hope everybody's well. Stay healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.